if in a country where they work, you see what actually happened here. Hey, I beg, they supposed sack all of them. They supposed sack all of them. So in the midst of the whole Tuface and Annie Idibia saga, marriage wahala, crisis, and here and there, guys, Tuface surfaced at Edo State National Assembly, and their reactions as soon as Tuface walked in. Ah ah, hey, I beg, when did we get here?
Now Two-Face, so guys, Two-Face just entered the House of Assembly and Two-Face in the Edo State House of Assembly right now. Two-Face. Tuface Idibia is in Edo Assembly.
My question is, what is he doing there? Wetin him dey do for that place? Abi they don't give am position there? Has the alleged girlfriend given him position there? Has she secured a slot for him? Is he running for any campaign, any position? Any what did he go there to do? And the people screaming, shouting, ah, nah, only in Nigeria, sha. Hey, they can't even pretend. They can't even sit properly, very demure. They were even taking selfie, taking pictures. They left what they came for and channeled their energy, focused their energy on Two-Face. Ha! Now, wow, no wonder our country is in shambles. Like, it's in the situation it is today when they're supposed to be serious. Lawmakers, they're supposed to be serious to tackle the situation of this country. They left what they were supposed to do, focused on Two-Face. Okay, now, make they chop am. Make they chop am. So it now means that almost all of them are following this lover page. Almost all of them are on this faceless bloggers page. You will still see some of them, they will shout, mind your business. How does it concern you? How does it affect you? How does it affect the price of one cup of rice in the market? If Two-Face says he's not doing it again, oburu awon mad. Person no kpai. Na him use him legs waka enter inside the marriage. Na him still use him mouth come out with him legs, that is no longer interested. We no fit do am anything. All dis one wey all of dem just dey shout 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 shout, wetin dem wan do am there? Ah, abeg o. Dis person said you guys should leave him alone. Can't you all see he needs help? Why is this society not sympathetic with men? At least pity him for his health sake. Annie is not innocent as well. Maybe just like I asked before, maybe the alleged girlfriend has secured a slot for him there. Maybe there is a position, or maybe SSA. I don't know, but whatever reasons he was there, guys, definitely no be ordinary person dey enter that place. So he's not a lawmaker slash neither a politician. How did he gain access to House of Assembly? What is he doing there? Abi them don't turn Edo House of Assembly to customary courts? If you ask me, now who I go ask? Abeg o. Well, I know they finish for Naija for one problem to the other. Every day one problem, every week one trouble. It is well. Can this man be allowed to live his life? This is not nice at all now. Marriage no work out. E no buy anybody. Allow this man breathe. Come and see another comment. This comment is very, very shocking. It's very, very irritating self. That's the right word. Very, very irritating. Like, why? Why they go put am behind bars? Why? What offense did he commit? What offense did he commit? Is it the first man in Nigeria, in the world as a whole, to say I know they do again? He should be put behind bars for causing chaos. He know he is a public figure and should give a notice. Yeah. To be a celebrity in Nigeria is not easy. You see, in the Western world, to be a celebrity there is kinda easy. But in Nigeria, where everything goes, it's not easy. Your privacy, zero. Another question that I want to ask: does Two-Face wants to drop any album? Because this here, all over the place, that's their way. When they want to drop album, PR will go follow sharp sharp. Legend one turn laughing stock. God abeg o. No matter how they want to paint it, you see this Two-Face, forget. They can't use it to compare your Edochie. Sorry to bring your Edochie into this. You cannot. Their two scenarios are not the same thing. Eh? Annie is not innocent either. The same way Two-Face is not innocent. Both of them are in this together. Two-Face has the one that he's facing. Annie has the one that she's facing. So you see, it's vice versa. Nobody lose. Oh, nobody lose. Two-Face health is bad, which he is managing. Annie Idibia is in a rehabilitation center. So you see, if we want to be fair, guys, nobody lose. Both of them are in this together. So we should just allow this man to breathe. If he wants to pick the pieces of his life together, fine and good. If someone offers him the opportunity for him to pick the pieces of his life together, nobody should stand as a stumbling block. Nobody should block his way. Nobody should be there. He deserves a second chance. He has a life to live. Men also, they go through a lot in their different marriages. No only the one where you see, now you go talk. You see this one that this lover said, I'm sure that blogger is yet to conclude that story. He is yet to conclude the story. He just released one part like that, but I'm just waiting for the conclusion of that story. I can now pile it together. Then you will now come to a conclusion that this life, if you don't work, my dear, get out. Get out immediately. Whether you are a man or a woman, this gender-based thing, don't just get out, I beg. Go. Pick the pieces of your life together. If you don't buy with that. If Two-Face buy today, Annie Idibia, once she just catch her way, like clean herself up, dust herself up, relocate to another country, Western world, US, Canada, Australia, be it any country in the Western world, she go see another person marry. She go see another person marry. Abeg oh, abeg. It is well. Guys, can actually pause to read the remaining ones. I wish him all the best. I wish him a quick recovery. Annie Idibia, wherever she is, I wish her quick recovery. If this story is true. That being said, guys, that brings me to the end of this video. In case you're watching for the first time, this is Loudly Gist Lover YouTube. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. On this channel, we react, analyze, we give trending gist, celebrity news, true crime and true crime stories. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching, liking, commenting, and sharing. Bye bye for now as I'm signing off for my next one. Peace out. I love you all. Bye.